Greetings from Adulux Rank Up classes to all parents and all students. So, I welcome you all on our wonderful channel that is Adulux Rank Up classes. Just like you can see the name on the screen, Adulux Rank Up classes. So, I want to tell you about our channel Adulux Rank Up classes. It's an online platform, and through this platform we are providing study knowledge to the students. It doesn't matter from which part of the world students are belonging. So we have classes 9th and 10th, plus 1 and plus 2 classes, and in 9th and 10th class our main focus on CBSE syllabus as well as NTSC and all kind of Olympiad. And in plus 1 and plus 2 standard, students and parents, our main focus is to prepare students for JEE Main and Advanced as well as NEET. So many times students after studying 2 years, they take a break. So we deviate the rules. Our main focus is to prepare the students in this 2 years, plus 1 and plus 2 standard. So step by step we are giving competitive material, competitive study to the students with their CBSE study so that they may qualify their exam during these 2 years. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, we have well designed study material. Just like you can see the things in our slides, we have well designed study material. And for study material I want to say कि we have the lecture, we have complete literature, that is the part of offline material, and you can get that material by sitting at your home. And one more thing, we have recorded videos from best faculty of the India. Okay, so you can take the benefit of recorded videos, live classes as well as upcoming live classes. So I said the word upcoming live classes and live classes. So through live classes I want to tell you, so many times due to some reason students miss their class. So you can see your class by going or selecting the option of previous live classes so that you can match your running, you can match your race, you can match your knowledge and you can match your study with the upcoming live classes. Okay. So you can see the word DPP. So I want to tell you about DPP. DPP means daily practice papers. DPP means daily practice paper. After getting knowledge or after attending live class of 1 hour or 1.5 hour at the evening time through Telegram app, we are providing DPP, daily practice paper, so that students can recapitulate their knowledge and enhance their knowledge related to the matter, related to the topic that was taught during the live class time. Okay, not only this, we have the pattern of one-to-one doubt class. So many times after attending or watching the classes, like after attending live class, after watching the recorded videos, they get confused and they want to ask their doubt. So don't worry, we have the option of one-to-one doubt, and by selecting that option one-to-one doubt, students can write their doubts, write their problems related to the topics. Our faculty, excellent faculty, is giving answer to every students related to their doubts. And one more thing, parents as well as students, there should be checking of the knowledge, or we can say that formative assessment. So for that we have arranged Sunday test on the basis of 6-day study. In those Sunday tests, we are not only providing the answers to the student, we are providing the explanation also. And there is discussion of DPP and Sunday test in the live classes also. Okay, so in this way we are giving knowledge, we are trying our best to accentuate the knowledge of the students so that they may go ahead in their life. They may reach to the stepping stone of success. So it's my personal appeal to join our channel, but directly following my advice, you can go to YouTube site and you can see our recorded videos. And with the help of those videos, students and parents, you can decide how we can join EduLux Rank Up classes. So these are the numbers through which you can contact directly to our technical department. Okay, you can get information how you can attend our classes, you can select the option. And yeah, one more thing I want to tell you, the study that we are providing to accentuate the knowledge of the students, that's on very nominal price, very nominal fee. You can say it's cheap as chips. Okay, so there is website also, www.rankupclasses.com, and students and parents, you can search us on YouTube channel. You can see the recorded videos, our faculty, and you can decide, yes, we should join this channel. And at last, or we can say that last but not least, I want to express my gratitude, express my thanks to you all. Thanks all. Thank you very much.